Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. And here we have the BMW X1. It's on a 71 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the car's boot space first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can either do that from the key or from the tailgate itself. As we approach the back of the car, you can then see that we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with the 3 individually folding rear seats, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in, and as I mentioned, run through some of the controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see the alloy wheels and bodywork are all in pristine condition the entire way around the vehicle. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the speedometer and fuel gauge. Over on the right-hand side, the rev counter. In the centre, you can see the total miles of the car. They are 34,103. You can change information that's displayed above that using a button on the end of the indicator stalk. For various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information and the digital readout for the speedometer you see on screen now. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have cruise control and speed limiter. We have our stereo and phone controls over on the right hand side, the plus and minus paddles to change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox, and then into the center, the main screen for the car. So at the moment you can see we have the reversing camera shown up on screen. You can of course access your main menus, and you can see the movement that I'm making on screen is not involving using the touchscreen. It is touchscreen. I was using the iDrive system, which is essentially this dial. The buttons that surround it will take you into the menus highlighted on them as well, but the dial can do everything that you need it to do on that screen. For example, rotate it to media and radio, push it down, you can see we've got DAB, FM and AM radio, Bluetooth audio, USB input there as well. You can pair up your phone. Once you've done so, you'll be able to make and receive phone calls and use your Bluetooth audio. We have satellite navigation. Really nice clear colour display. This is BMW's professional nav, so the extra wide colour display. We've got connected drive and a My Vehicle menu. So lots of things in here. You can see all the different menus available to you, including vehicle status. And under vehicle status, you'll be able to see that the car's servicing is completely up to date. You can even check the service history of the vehicle from here, where you can see the last service was only done just a few months ago at the time of recording this video. Working our way down, we have the main volume for your stereo. Below that, we then have dual zone climate control. You can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you would like the air distributed in. When you're happy with those settings, air conditioning is off, on again, or hit auto. The car will take full control for you to maintain the temperatures you've asked for. Press the same button again and you'll go back to whatever setting you had that on previously. We have 2 cup holders down the bottom just here, and some storage along with a USB input right at the back of that section, and you can of course close these covers over if you wish to. We have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. You can change the driving setup of the car. You can turn off your traction control. You can turn the parking sensors on and off, the downhill brake control on and off. We have the controls I went through just a moment ago, and then an electronic handbrake. Lastly, you can see this car has a panoramic glass roof. Firstly, there is a sunblind you can open and close to cover this whole section, but it's also got a sunroof, so you can open this front section as a full sliding sunroof if you wish to do that. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.